Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So today I'll be doing a cleaning motivation video. I'll be showing you how I clean my fridge, and today is Saturday, so I decided to clean the fridge. It was really dirty, and I wanted to ask you guys, how often do you clean your fridge? Because for me, I just clean it when it's dirty. Only when it's dirty. So guys, how often do you clean your fridge? Just let me know in the comments. So let me allow you guys enjoy the video. So after emptying the fridge, the next thing I do is to get a soapy water and a sponge and start cleaning the fridge. So I started from the upper part of the fridge and just start cleaning it gently, looking at all those areas that are quite dirty and concentrate more on it. Then I worked my way down to the bottom of the fridge and clean every part. So that's exactly what I did. Was it easy? No, but that's why it's a motivation. You just have to get up and do it. I had to spend more time scrubbing that part of the fridge because the stain was being difficult. It didn't want to go away, so I had to get another stronger sponge to scrub that part. So that's what I did, and yeah, it was better. So after drying down the fridge, the next thing I did is to start washing the fridge accessories. I take my time to wash everything, make sure everything is clean, remove every dirt. Then when it comes to washing the glass part, I ensure that I take my time to just gently wash it well, because it easily can slip from your hands. So I'm always very careful anytime I'm washing anything that has glass. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Anytime I'm arranging my fridge, I usually have at the back of my mind functionality. I don't like arranging my fridge and at the end of the day, because of aesthetics, it's not functional for me. So I always make sure that anything I'm arranging, it has to be functional for me. So it feels really good seeing my fridge all clean and arranged like this. Like, I'm so happy. I'm always happy when everything is organized. So guys, hope I've been able to motivate you to clean your fridge or clean any aspects of your home today. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified once a new video drops. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. See you guys in my next video. Bye.